I've looked into this all through the early hours of the morning, and out of everything that I've talked about, volume profile, all the other cool stuff, understanding all the blocks properly is absolute key to everything. And even in this, if you're even able to understand what I've just said about the institutions, you will understand what took place in this area, because this is the biggest tell as to what was actually going on. Let me get rid of this. So this area right here is the biggest indication to tell us exactly what was happening in the market, what has been going on, what most of us are blind to, but what is happening all the time. And as soon as we become mindful of this particular information, okay, this is when we start winning, and we start winning a lot. You might think this information is useful, you might think it's BS, but in my mind, I think this is absolutely the gold standard. So let me just explain to you exactly what happens. Let's do a bit of a story time, okay? So let's get rid of all of this cool stuff, and let's just do a bit of a story time right now. A bit of a story time, because this has blown my mind. And the thing is, I already knew this. So I'm like, how did I forget this key information? How did I lose this gem? How did I lose it? It takes for me to leave my job to figure it out, when I could have been doing this all the whole time and making a whole heap of money on the side. But anyways, like I say, God does things for reasons, right? God does things for reasons. So, story time. So what happened in this area up here is really, really simple. The banks, all the big banks, they're making monies for their customers, investors, right? So what they decide to do is, okay, we are going to buy from this location right here. So they're going to buy from this location right here, okay? So they're buying in this area right here, all right, okay? And then a billionaire comes along and says, hey, I want to put in extra billions, right? So after market goes up, they drive it back into the order block, the buying order.